हेलो दोस्तों, मेरा नाम है गौरव रातुल देव और आपका स्वागत है मेरे चैनल सॉल्ट एंड लव किचन रेसिपीज में। अगर आप मेरे चैनल में नए हैं और अगर आपने अभी तक भी सब्सक्राइब बटन को नहीं दबाया तो प्लीज़ दबा दीजिए, क्योंकि मैं हर हफ्ते लेके आता हूँ 4 नए रेसिपी वीडियोस। तो दोस्तों, आज संडे स्पेशल हमने कौन सा डिश बनाया है ये आप कमेंट में हमें बताएं। गेस कीजिए हम क्या बना रहे हैं। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
Every day I wake up, trying to earn me a living. 7 days in a week ain't enough for me. I had to put a hold on love, so I could handle my business. Cause I couldn't find a one that was right for me. No, I can't stand it. No. When I wanna settle down with a man, but I feel so damaged. Hopeless romantic, turned to a savage, but no, I can't stay and chill, cause love don't pay the bills. To keep it real, that's how I feel. That's just what I need. I need someone to elevate with me. Can you put me onto something, baby, please? Try to understand what love means to me. You don't ever be for nothing. I don't need somebody that'll slow me down. Baby, I could do bad all by myself, all by my damn self. Are you that somebody that could hold me down? Playing with my heart, that's bad for your health, that's bad for your health. Oh, and I just need someone to come and love me right. I just need someone to elevate my mind. And if I like the way you move, then maybe me and you could elevate each other beyond. That's just what I need.